On the monkeyhappy.com stage 897, this is chapter 4 of Find the Light. Let's pick up all these. He wants a ski poles and some goggles. This guy wants 35 lollies. We go up here, we look at the clue that says 5342 and 3521. So let's put that 5342 in there. 5342. Pick up all these items. We can move these, as you can see, and we got some things to put in there. 3521 on this side. 3521. On this side, you've got for that puzzle 591628. 591628. Combine these two. Then we go back up, and now we go down, all the way down. Pick up all these items, and we saw a circle here. 4412 is the clue for this. 4412. Combine these two and put the claw up, get the circle out, and get that little sphere. Put that in there. Combine these two. That goes in the tree. This goes upstairs. This goes in here. And the X slices all these pieces of cloth. Oops. Okay. This ornament comes together. These goggles go to him. The hat and the straw go to that green dude. The stockings come together and they go to this dude. The ornament part comes together and goes out here. Oops, here. The blue key opens up the blue door. Where is that? Here. And this goes in here, and as you can see, we've got 31 lollies, and we're looking at red 3, blue 4. 3 being on the clue here, 3, and blue 4 is here. Okay. So there, like that. Then we've got, I'm gonna put that in here. 6 red, 5 blue. 6 red. So 6 is out here, and 5 blue is over there. 5 blue and 6 red is up here. Then we've got 2 6. So that goes to 2, and that goes to 6, and the blue position is up there, I believe. Yes. And finally we've got 7 1. So the red goes all the way to the other side, I believe. 7 7, and this is 1. So 1 for red, and so 7 for red, sorry, and 1 for blue. And now that we've got the 35, we can combine the basket, give that to him, pick up the little, sorry, the shield. The shield goes to this guy up the top. The ornament goes in the box, goes out here, and as you can see, red 1, blue 1. So need to move this all the way around again. So red one, blue one in their original positions. Push that to open, and there you go, guys. That's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 897. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing, and I hope to see you next time.